This is Bhaskar Berry. In the last video we've seen how to use a lookup transformation. In this video I'm going to show you how to use fuzzy lookup transformation. The fuzzy lookup transformations performs data cleansing tasks such as standardizing data, correcting data and providing missing values. It almost performs the same operations as a lookup, even the fuzzy lookup. The difference is the algorithm, how it matches to these records. The lookup matches for the exact matches, but fuzzy lookup uses statistical threshold values, how much value you should be referring to. Let me show you the demo of that. Let me create a new package, just renaming it. Create world source connections for that. As well as some target table. Drag and drop the EDF task. I'm just getting the world source for that. I'm taking the same example which I've considered for the lookup transformations, and moreover in this fuzzy lookup we will be having only one output, but whereas lookup countries. So this is how the editor will be here. These are the columns which you need to make. Country code, okay, and here even country name also I am mentioning. But if you see in the previous exam video what I told for the lookup transformations, there are only 3 records would be matching records. Okay, now we'll see, because it's a fuzzy, how many records would be the advanced the threshold value. Okay, let me keep greater than 80 so that we get more of accurate results. Okay. And moreover we use fuzzy lookup after using the lookup transformations, where we get exact matches of that. Okay, I'm just using the target table here, that lookup output match. Okay. I'm just enabling the data viewer so that we don't want to go to the back to the database to check the tables. It's taking some time to run. Here we have the source data, and if you see here we are getting all the records. So we want only the matching records which we have been there. Okay, so if you observe that the code value will be null for the unmatched records. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use one more transformations in between this. So maybe that conditional split, even that works. I'm just checking the condition here. Column, the code value, null function. If it's null, don't put. So I'm going to use code not null. Okay. I'll just use a multicast here instead of OLDB destinations to just show you for guys in this demo. I want the values which is not null for this code. So you can see here the what do you say, the matches for that. Okay, this is source records. This is the output we are getting from that. In that we have additional columns called similarity and confidence, those columns and all. Okay, so if you see here, we are getting all the 7 records, even though there is a case sensitive in this, because last time when we saw this example in the lookup transformations, we will get only 3 columns which are matching even the case sensitive for the country name also, but here we are getting all the records here. That's one of the differences. Okay, based on the threshold values also we can vary. You can check that in my fuzzy grouping where I talked about threshold values. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.